Hi, welcome to this demonstration of RondelO Automatic Infusion system. We have here a standalone device with the possibility to use a power cable or by battery only. And we can actually remove the power cable now. We have a flow sensor as well. And we will use this together with a RondelO IV set that is pre-connected with up to 3 drugs. So I will show you how you're going to connect this to the device now. The primary line is already primed. You push it into place, make sure that the solenoid has this silicone section here, and you attach the flow sensor to the drip chamber, like so. And then we start the device and we select by 3-second long press. Now we are in the correct mode. And now we make sure that all the secondary lines are fully opened. Also that the pinch clamp of the flushing fluid is fully open. Okay. Make sure that looks a little bit better, like that. So this is the flushing, and here are drug 1, here's drug 2, and here's drug 3. And we will adjust the flow rate with the roller clamp below. Okay, so the first thing we would do is make the initial priming. So we do a single click, and we can see blue LED light blinking in the same pace as the drip chamber below. And we can also see that it's dripping in the drip chamber of the flushing fluid. The solenoid closes, the dripping in the drip chamber stops. Now we're gonna give the first drug. We see a steady white light. That means that the nurse needs to acknowledge before she's gonna select the next drug. Single click. And the RondelO turns to the first drug. And we can see dripping in the drip chamber of the first drug. The green light is blinking in the same pace as the first drug. And we can see that it's dripping in the drip chamber below. Now the nurse sees that the patient receives the treatment well and can actually perhaps free up her time to do other tasks. Because this machine will, after the drug has run empty, change to automatic flushing takeover. And we will actually see this shortly. We can follow the drug level here running empty. Now the drug has run empty, and the machine turns by itself to the next subsequent flushing position. It remains in this position for a preset of time. You could have it for continuous flushing like this until the nurse arrives again, but we have chosen a preset of time. And when the time is up, it shows a white steady light. So now we have a full stop. The nurse will then arrive, and then she will make a single click, and the RondelO turns to the subsequent next drug position. We can see again the green blinking means the drug is flowing, and we have the drug running empty here as well. So we can see what happens when the machine will make the changeover. Drug is empty, and the machine turns to next flushing position. Okay, so you get the idea. We have showed this now for 2 drugs, an automatic changeover to flushing. We're gonna show you what happens if the clamp on the next drug is closed from the beginning. Let's say the nurse has forgotten to open it. She clicks here, the RondelO selects the next drug in sequence, and expect drug to come. But it's no flowing, and so it indicates by a red steady light. So if the nurse again open, it will continue with the green blinking light again. So it actually gives the nurse a visual clue that something is wrong. Okay, we can simulate that this drug has run empty by just closing the clamp here. And the RondelO automatically turns to subsequent flushing fluid again. And that actually concludes the full automation of 3 drugs with the subsequent flushing fluid in between. This really allows the nurse to open up for more free time and actually let the automation do the selection of the drug, and the nurse just survey and make sure everything goes as planned. Thank you so much.